What's up, guys? We got Devin in the back, we got Mel right now. We're about to go hit a leg day. Patrick. Yo, Devin, how you been, bro? It's been a while.
I just had to come back and
are you filming us today? Are you gonna be in our video?
For what?
We're getting a leg day today.
Leg day?
Yeah.
I'll do leg day, guys.
Alright, bet. Sounds dope. Yo, Mel, you ready for this? What are you hitting today? Any PRs today or not? You're not gonna do something?
PRs, yeah.
What are you hitting today?
4 plates, probably for like 3
We're doing 4
reps.
plate reps? Alright, let's do it. That's gonna be our motivation. Yeah, but I'm on no pre-workout, no caffeine, natural energy. On that meditation, vegan lifestyle.
Oh no, me, I'm about to get a monster. I went to sleep at like
Nah, yeah, you went out late last night, so I can't blame you. Alright, guys. Stay tuned. What you getting, bro?
Yo, you can't use that, you're gonna get demonetized.
Why?
You get demonetized. It's Monster. Are you sponsored by Monster?
Hey,
are you
take it easy, bro.
Monster?
I'm just showing how addicted
Yo,
you guys are to caffeine.
Are you trying
Caffeine's a poison, bro.
Yo, shout out Monster. He's trying to get a sponsorship.
God damn,
the
bro.
same thing.
You getting a blue monster, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, that shit's way
Best
bro.
one here.
Yeah. I mean, actually, best monster I think.
I like the white one.
The white.
The
Yeah,
white one's pretty
hands
fun.
down.
Yeah, doing bad.
Nah, bro. You're doing bad, bro. Hell no.
You know,
Let's
the
see
calories
the
this got? -8, bro.
negative.
He doesn't want to give him the card.
You finessing the system, bro.
Yeah. He's mad he got a squat rack. Alright, so look, boom. Don't hate. Alright, so look. Today's leg day. It's me. About fitness.
So, Devin, how you doing?
My boy Hunter, he's recording right now. You know, he's a cameraman till he gets the squat rack. So, you know, we do something like, yeah, a little bit of strength training, 3 to 5 reps of each set. That's what we're going to start with 2. We'll go up to 4. Let's see how much before I can get. We're going for like 3 to 5. Easy. That should be it. Stay tuned.
It's cool.
This is post-knee injury, guys. Doing pretty good. Get it up, get it up. How you feeling? How you feeling? How your knee doing? How your knee doing?
That bag came out for surgery, you know.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
You already know we're about to hit this light 135.
On plate.
You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Here we go.
Oh no. That's all you got? That wasn't even a rep. That's all you got?
Alright guys, right now, I hit 135 for warm-up set. Progressively get higher. Probably gonna go for 4 plates today, see how it goes. I haven't back squatted in 2 weeks, so let's see how this goes. And yeah, stay tuned.
Bet, let's go. Get right to it. See that?
Yo, I definitely have some tightness in my hips. That's gonna affect it.
Yeah. You can see me? Or is it dark?
Yeah, it's good.
Alright, so
3 plates.
3 plates for 5. Should be belt on these straps.
Dad's gonna go for a 225 PR after a knee injury, so this is huge for him. Let's go, Devin. Come on, get it up. Let's go. Let's go, big boy. Walk it out. Fuck the knee, bro. Push it, push it. Ah, careful. Take it easy, take it easy. Slow down, slow down, slow down.
Ah, damn.
Good.
Damn.
Good shit, bro. Yo, pound it, pound it, pound it. Good right, Mal's gonna go 365 for a single. I just banged out 225 for 8. And then we go up to 4 plates. Get back to work, buddy. Come on, stop slacking.
Human Super Saiyan.
That shit light for him. Good shit.
Okay,
Alright guys, we're gonna do 315 for working set. Maybe 60 reps. And after that, 365 for a single. And then maybe 4 plates, so.
There we go. 2. Yeah. Get up. Get up.
Get a third, get a third. Up, up, up.
Get it. Easy, bro.
I'm gonna go for 4. Thank you, man.
Bro, you make it look smooth like water.
4 plate squat. What, 3 reps?
Yeah.
3 reps, right?
Smooth like water.
They were
reps?
butter.
Yeah,
dude.
that's all. I went like this. You couldn't see it, so I go like this. So yeah, 3 reps. I'm gonna stick with that for now, but give me 2 weeks, 5 reps. I got you.
And then this is for a single, and we're up to 4 plates. Here you go, it's been about 2 weeks since I squatted.
Yeah. How you feeling, Devin? You good? All right, he's not paying attention. It should be light. It should be light. There we go.
4 plates.
How I felt? How I felt? Too light?
Hell yeah, bro.
Well, no, why are you weak? Wait, what's that? What's that?
Yeah, they coming in.
What's it? Hey.
Ready? I record.
Got you.
Hold up, sorry, I gotta
I bet. He's scoring in the back. You know, people bugging out over there in the leg press, trying to get to that next. Full depth squats. So you get strong. Different variation. Got box squats over here too. You look excited. Next up, we got single leg presses. I do this to build individual strength in each leg rather than just doing both legs. So that's basically just squatting again without having to bend. So I'm show you guys what I do.
give a little more enthusiasm next time, all right? Big guy, give a little more enthusiasm next time.
I'm tired, man. Oh yeah, when you go up, do not lock your knees. Because if your legs is weak and you lock it and the weight's too heavy, your knees gonna go mess that out. You don't want that. Kind of like You want your thigh to touch like your rib cage on the way down. Yeah. Come on, 3 more. Get it up. You squat 4 plates. This should be light. What's going on?
Hard for that, bro.
Get it up, get it up.
Fuck.
What was that, 4? Alright, I'll let you pass.
Baby calves.
Yeah, you can't even see them. Whole bunch of air in your sweats.
One more, baby. There's nothing gonna do 5 today.
Alright. Get it up. Rolling?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so camera's about to die. The rest of this video is just gonna be straight leg workouts. I guess the power in the circuit just went out. Let's get it.
Blackout.
At least I'm not using the treadmill. You ready?
Yep, let's go. Working out in a blackout. I think this is, they said this was gonna happen.
Yeah. Rest of the workouts for 3 sets of 12. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, the video's ending now. There's a blackout in our town. So
they're kicking us out.
We gotta end the video early.
Powerlifters never get to work out. But you got some footage. Stay tuned, subscribe. Mel Fitness. That's Hunter Weber. Weber.
Follow me on YouTube at Hunter Weber.
You know.
Shit happens, guys. This is life. But yeah, I'm gonna go finish this workout at the home gym in my building, and I'll record you guys through that as well. So.
But stay tuned.
Well, guys, our school's done. What's the motto, bro? What's the shit? How does this make you feel?
How dare you?
I know, me neither. How do you feel that? How do you feel when you're not eating now?
Bro, go home, bro.
Fuck this.
Think about the pie, feel me?
Whoa! Take it easy.
Patrick is nowhere to be found. Bad leg day. 4 plates.
I mean, at least we got the fucking squats in, bro. We got the work in, bro.
Finish it in, so you know, couldn't get calves, so you know, that's why we don't got no calves.
Air 449.